Okay, we are gonna get ready to go to an event. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna go to dinner first, then the event, and then probably shopping with a couple of my girlfriends. So this is my makeup from today. It's now like 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna put in some Lumify whitening. Whitening drops. And I'm just gonna refresh this makeup look, but also do something a little bit more dramatic because this is the event. It's kind of retro, 70s, not going all out, but I think it'd be fun to do something just kind of unique and bright with my makeup. Okay, for my eyeshadow look, I'm gonna do the Essence Miami palette, and I'm just gonna do bright because retro is like all about the bright color. We are gonna be filming some stuff at Target, like some fun reels and content there, but it's always fun to do like a bright color. I am running late, of course. I still don't know what I'm even going to be wearing, but we're gonna make this happen. I should have planned ahead. I should have like ordered something from Amazon for the 70s, but someday I'll be on top of it. I'm going with this sparkle. She's pretty. She's so pretty. I think I'm gonna take that same color and put it under my eye. It's so pretty. Can you even like get it better? I'm digging it. I'm here for it. And then I'm gonna do a dramatic eyeliner look. I'm gonna try. I cannot freaking master the winged eye to save my life, but we're gonna try. They're so crooked. They're so crooked. Hair, I think I'm gonna do something like, I don't know, 70s. What's like 70s hair? Down the middle. More straight maybe. Can't handle like the non. Okay, we're at dinner. I've got mayonnaise. I've got my wine. What baby did you just get?
Watermelon and basil margarita.
Oh yeah. I've never tried it. I'm so excited. Every time.
Okay, let me hold this actually up here.
It takes a village. We're doing it. All right, we made it home, so tired, and the house is asleep. We ended up dancing and partying way too long, so we decided to postpone our Target shopping trip. This is my quick little nighttime routine, and then off to sleep. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you like this vlog and if you want me to do more like this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Night-night.